The employee timekeeping system software is the new automated way to clock your employees in and out. It will allow anyone in charge of payroll to quickly generate time reports without spending tedious amounts of time collecting time cards and totaling hours manually. This is a perfect way also to archive employees' attendance without having a box of time cards in your office. Also, you will not have to worry about the expensive maintenance of the time card punch clock machine. The software is designed for the small to medium business, and it will do tremendous things for you in the area of timekeeping. I will give you an example of the simple process of clocking in, clocking out, and generating a timesheet report. Employee selects their name, enters their password, and clocks in or clocks out. As simple as that. You'll notice that as the employee is clocking in or clocking out, at all times, the employee is provided information about overtime with our new overtime monitoring feature. The overtime monitoring feature allows the employee to be aware of how many hours the employee has worked so far this week and how many hours are left before the employee reaches 40 hours. This is a very important feature that many office managers have indicated a need for to help the office manage overtime. And it works very effectively. As you can see, the employee is not in the dark about how many hours are left before they reach 40 hours. That's the simplicity of clocking in, and the clocking out process is the same. For the timekeeper can generate a report at any time that they desire, and it's as simple as this. With a couple of keystrokes and a touch of a button, we now have a listing of all the employees and the hours that they've worked for the week so far. And as you can see, it was very simple, very easy. There was no tedious effort in collecting time cards, adding times. Basically, the system provided all that information, and we know that computers are definitely accurate in the process of summation. The system also generates a very simple line item report that basically gives each employee's names and the total number of hours that they've worked for the week. That's our timekeeping system. It's very simple, very straightforward, not complex, and very simplistic. It can save the office a tremendous amount of money as well as time. Money because in the labor hours that it saves the office manager to have to collect the time cards, have to sum up all the each time card, and then the potential of making errors with the summation of all time cards. It can save you a tremendous amount of labor hours. So if nothing else, just the labor hours alone will give you a return on your investment very quickly. That's our time clock software. Isn't it time your office goes to a paperless employee timekeeping process? I think it should be. If you haven't thought about it, now is a perfect time to think about it.